Like an artist wielding a brush and the canvas of education, the teaching profession wields a pivotal role in shaping the future of individuals and societies. Grounded in knowledge, guidance, and aspiration, teaching encompasses a wide range of responsibilities and influences. Educators have the noble task of empowering students to reach their full potential by imparting knowledge, fostering personal growth, and promoting social development. While the work of a teacher extends far beyond the confines of the classroom, their expertise in various subjects enables them to provide a comprehensive and structured education, while also creating an environment that encourages critical thinking, creativity, and curiosity. While the work of a teacher extends far beyond the confines of the classroom, they invest countless hours in planning curricula, designing instructional materials, and development assessment. Now, by embodying the values of knowledge, guidance, and inspiration, teachers contribute to a brighter future for generations to come. In a real-life classroom setting, the work and nature of a teaching profession comes to life. The role of a teacher goes far beyond delivering a lessons. It's more about nurturing young minds, igniting passions, and fostering growth. Let's take a closer look at what makes a teacher so special. The works of a teacher involve instructional design and delivery. They carefully plan and deliver engaging lessons, utilizing various resources and instructional methods to meet the diverse needs of their students.
Teachers manage the classroom environment, creating a positive and inclusive space where students feel safe, respected, and motivated to learn. Teachers engage with the local community, collaborating with organizations, businesses, and community members to provide a meaningful learning experiences beyond the classroom.
Teachers integrate technology into their teaching, leveraging digital tools to enhance instruction, promote active learning, and prepare students for the digital age.
They collaborate with colleagues, parents, and stakeholders, engaging in effective communication to ensure a cohesive and supportive educational environment.
Teachers engage in continuous professional development, staying updated to latest research, pedagogical approaches, and technological advancement.
They differentiate instruction, tailoring their teaching methods, content, and assessments to meet the unique learning needs and abilities of each student. Cultural competence is growth. Teachers celebrate and respect diversity, embracing multicultural perspectives, and creating an inclusive classroom where every student feels valued.
Teacher assists evaluate the student progress using various methods to measure learning outcomes and provide valuable feedback for growth.
Providing emotional support. Teachers provide emotional support to students, nurturing their well-being and helping them navigate challenges to develop resilience and confidence.
Actively involve parents and guardians in their child education, fostering strong partnership and open lines of communication for the benefit of student success.